Hi, Bakers. Here I have with me ready to roll fondant from Baker's Choice. Let's unbox and see.
As soon as I opened the box, I could feel the excitement building up, knowing that I'm about to work with a product that won't disappoint. This fondant is a carton of 6, each pack 1 kg, and it was thoughtfully packaged. The branding and the packaging is looking sleek and modern.
Ready to roll fondant. It's actually 1 kg, as you can see. 1 kg.
The first thing I realized as soon as I opened the fondant is that it comes with a very nice flavor. It took me less than a minute to knead about 2 kg of this fondant. As someone who bakes frequently, I can tell you that working with this fondant is a dream. It rolls out beautifully without sticking to my rolling pin or my desk. It's smooth and pliable. This fondant is very easy to use and is affordable. With Baker's Choice ready to roll fondant, you can make your sugar flowers, mold, cake toppers, a whole lot of things. With this fondant, you can even decorate your cookies, cupcakes top, do a lot of beautiful creations with Baker's Choice. Sharp edges. This is what every baker wants to see on their cake. And with Baker's Choice ready to roll fondant, to achieve sharp edge becomes so easy. It's so smooth, flawless, and seamless. Baker's Choice ready to roll fondant is a fondant for all weather. It's very easy to work with. The texture is also good, as I don't need to apply so much comfort to my table. It doesn't dry out so easy. Over the years, we have had a lot of bakers who have left the industry due to chest pain, heart pain, waist pain, trying to work with hard fondant, local fondant, and Baker's Choice has bring the solution. In conclusion, Baker's Choice Ready to Roll Fondant is a total game changer for both beginners and experienced cake decorators, combined with quality, easy to use, and taste, all in one beautiful package.